So today we're going to start a printmaking lesson, and you can think of printmaking almost like a stamp. So when you get the final image like this was made from a print of a piece of foam. And actually, let's show it like this one. So I designed the foam, and then I had a painted paper. I rolled ink on here, put this on here and rubbed, and then I was left with a print. The ink came on here. So printmaking is to make the image of something on a material like this foam and then stamp it or print it onto the paper. So you're going to begin today by placing your hand on the foam with a little bit of your wrist. Let's make sure I'm zoomed in close enough here. Okay, and then either you or a neighbor is going to take a pen and keep the pen right next to your skin and trace nice and slowly because this won't erase. Okay, and if you keep the pen next to your skin, you won't look like the Hulk. You'll be happier with how your hand looks. So slow and easy while someone traces your hand, and then go slowly on theirs so that it looks nice. And you want to include the wrist so it doesn't look funny. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create sections. So if you see here, this little girl put some lines that divide up the background. They can be any way you want them to be. So just kind of divide this up. They can be straight or curvy. And the sections create areas for patterns, just different areas for different patterns. So you decide how many, and you decide where you want them. And then once you have your sections, you'll be ready for pattern. And they could be simple or they could be kind of more elaborate. So down here, I might do circles or polka dots. Now, if I leave the circle like this, what you're gonna get are dots like his, okay? Because wherever you press is where the color comes out. But if I color these all the way in, and this girl did that on her stripes here, more color shows through. And the reason that happens is the ink can't reach the parts that are pushed down, and that's why your design shows up. Okay, and then in another area, maybe I would do, think about this, maybe palm trees, because I'm thinking about wanting to go to the beach on spring break. Or maybe you do an animal that you like. Or maybe you do a hobby that you like basketball or something like that. If you make it personal to you, things that you like, it's usually like way more exciting, something you're happy about. So I'm gonna do a palm tree.